Okay, Gus, let's see what you've built. I hope you've met your quota.
Okay, Santa, so I built this Odyssey portable grill and the Adventure Pro cooler.
Wait. These are Lippert products. Have you been just buying these at this store? At Lippert.com.
Yes, sir. Signing up for a new account saved us 10% on our order, and it makes shopping fun and easy. And so now I have more time to focus on my crocheting. Here's Santa. It's a hat. For you.
Oh, what I gotta put up with.
Hope he liked it. Took a while.